Well, I definitely debated on whether or not I should actually make a video here because I really, really hope that we have a decent idea of graphing lines at this point. But I thought, you might need like a little bit of a refresher just to make sure you're doing it right, that you haven't like randomly mixed up the x and y axis and, that kind of thing. So when we're in slope-intercept form, which these are because they're solved for y and there's no parentheses, we start with the number that's being added or subtracted, like in this case the +1, and that's our y-intercept. I kind of wish that I'd made this bigger now that I'm here. And then we take the 2/3 in front of x, and that's our slope, which means we are going up 2 and to the right 3 because 2/3 is positive. So we go both positive directions, up and right, or both negative directions, down and left. So up 2/3, down 2/3. Use a ruler if you want to. I don't know that I have the ability to easily use a ruler on this. So voila. Remember, positive slopes go up and to the right. And yeah, that's how that works. When we have a negative with a fraction, you're going to have to choose, do I want to think of that as negative on top or negative on bottom? They give you the same line. That's the key thing. That's why we're allowed to pick, and that's how this works. So we start with the -2 though on the y-axis. And then if I want to do this first way, that's saying to go down and right, because down is the negative direction and right is the positive direction. If I choose to do it the second way, that's up and left. So up 1 and left 5. See, that's how it works right there. Hope you enjoy my sound effects. And for whole number slopes, just remember to put it over 1. And then for this one that's negative, you can graph it as -3/1, or you can graph it as +3/-1. But that's the idea here. I guess I can just go ahead and do a couple more. We'd start at -4 and go up 2 and right 1. When we have whole numbers or numbers that are bigger than 1, because we could have a fraction that's actually bigger than 1. When we have numbers bigger than 1 for our slope, they're steeper lines than if we have fractions that are smaller than 1. And the smaller the fraction, the less steep this will be, because slope is a measure of steepness. So finishing up the second one here, I'd start at +4 right here, and then I like to go down 3 and right 1 because I like to run to the right because it just seems like the right thing to do. Get it? Okay, cool. So there you go. We do have some horizontal and vertical lines mixed in here, so just make sure that you hopefully you catch them when they come up, but if not and you have to look at the solutions, then try to get that stuck that much more into your longer term memory. And thanks for watching. Bye.